Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about another migrant bird. The Brahminy starling. The Brahminy Myna or starling is a member of the starling family of birds. A small fawn-colored starling with a long wispy crest that usually lies limp over the back of its head. Usually seen in pairs or small flocks in open habitats on the plains of the Indian subcontinent. The feathers on its cheek and upper breast stand up and away from its cheek. Its upper parts are grey and the dark tail is tipped in white. Note the yellow bill with a blue base. Feed on fruits and nectar as well as insects on the ground or in the trees. Their calls are like locally named Bhamunu Sharikawa. I have not seen the Brahminy starling. One such place you can see them is Yala National Park. Yala National Park is famous for leopard sightings. What you see here is the video of spotting a leopard in Yala National Park. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the crimson-backed flameback.